So today is the day of bike cleaning. This is the Motul C1, which is the chain cleaning disc brake cleaner. This video will not be only about the chain cleaning. We will be cleaning the entire bike because considering she's our baby, she is going to take us proper soap bath today. Just to update you, when I'm riding with pillion along with Bedastri, we were finding some kind of squeaky sound only on the rear suspension. Obviously, it's been many thousand kilometers. It's like around 3,000 or 4,000 kilometers it has run without any cleaning done. So I think it's high time. Let's introduce you to the things that we're gonna use. This is the Motul C1, which is the chain cleaning. This is the Motul C2, which is the chain lube. And this is a disc brake cleaner, and this is the cleaning brush that we can see. These have been all ordered and never been unpacked. And there is a MotoJack stand. When we apply it, this will be like this. It will be a single way, but it will act like a paddock stand. When we will use this, we'll show you in details. Dirty clothes, obviously. This one is the shampoo, intensive car shampoo, and this one is a silica spray. This was recommended by us because since we have ceramic coating applied on our bike. So these are the main things that we are gonna use, and you will see the entire process in some time. Lady mechanic.
Cleaning stuff, not mechanic.
These are some stubborn dirt that Vedas is trying a lot to get rid of, but it is just not getting. Yeah, you see, I was able to somehow make this. These all go a bit.
Just because it was laminated.
These mounts, now I will get rid of it because for that I'm not able to clean everything properly. Let's start unmounting it. There will be a lot actually. I've taken the chain clean. It's showing it's compatible for O-ring, X-ring and Z-ring, no issues. See, this brush looks great. I know most of the bikers will already know its existence, but this was my first time. Let's apply and see it. Okay, so the few of the problems that I'm seeing is it's not going to be easy because of this sari guard being installed. It's not going to be easy to be able to spray the entire chain, but let's still try to do it. So see, if you can see here, we have just stuck the bike. We have just placed the brush in here, and Bedastri is helping me to rotate the rear wheel and hence the chain, and it should be getting cleaned. The chain rings are definitely getting cleaned or degreased, but if you see, the screws are not that much getting touched. So for that we wanted the other side of the brush. This is the condition after done with this. It's bad, it's really bad, but if the cleaning has worked fine, I think it is worth. We are looking like real mechanics right now. I'm not sure how much you guys can understand the color of it, but this is the entire grease that has come out of my bike. So she's just, wiping the water area dry with a soft, again a microfiber cloth.
Now we are gonna use this. This is
Shampoo. No,
not shampoo.
This is a silica spray that I introduced before.
Yes.
So Bedastri will be using it because it is kind of like dry cleaning of the lamination and the coating parts. She is not realizing it yet, but I think you can see her beauty has enhanced when the grease drops have come on her face. She's looking good.
Seriously.
Yes. This is a disc brake cleaner. As simple as that. We'll apply in both the disc brakes, front and rear, and finally the lube. Cool. So this is the disc brake, and we are going to just apply it. Biber disc brakes, Bembo Biber. So just applying the simple spray just like it should be. This smells a bit different, the disc brake cleaner, while the chain cleaner was totally smelling like kerosene. Okay, this is the chain lube now, Motul C2. It's just in the same process, it will be applied throughout the length of the chain, simple. So I think the entire process is done. We are pretty sure that it might be something messed up, but we have applied all the components, perhaps not in the right order or sequence. We'll try to update in the description section if we have found that some sequence has been, wrong or something. The bike chain has been cleaned, lubricated, and the disc brakes are also cleaned. Through all these things, we have shown the entire details of all the products that we have used, including this. This was the main, the center show of today's show. It did a minor job, like a 2 seconds to 10 seconds job, but it actually held the bike entire time in free rotation, for which the entire chain lubrication and everything was possible that much so easily. So this is a definitely good recommendation. Let's show you how to really install it single-handed. First of all, the bike needs to be on side stand. Do not forget that it needs to be on side stand. You can see on the cover of the MotoJack, all the instructions are pretty precise, pretty good. Just to show you in live how to follow it. This would be the bike in center in the side stand. So place it around, it is given there 7 to 10 centimeters, so around this area will be fine. Try to maintain as level a surface as you can get. This is not a level surface, but still we have managed it. So first place this, and then this has to be on the right side of the bike. The anti-skid rubber is placed properly so that it doesn't skid. Like this, right? And this should be the placement on the right side of the bike. Now here, the lower portion, the top part, just give a slight pressure until it fixes. So you can take this as close as possible, you think, and then so you can do like this, something like this. So as you can see, now this has come a bit away. So it is not that free rotation. You can try to do it something like this. See? Cool, single-handed. Now the bike is in free rotation. And how do you do this? I'm trying a stunt, I'm not sure. Don't laugh if I'm failing. Unmount this. It can be danger if your fingers are in here. It will come here. Even if it is like this, you are gone. So be very careful. So this is another DIY, right? Do it yourself. Since it was the first time of the chain lubrication and which after what, and this the MotoJack, we took around 2.5 hours maximum. Once you know all the step-by-step process, max it can take, top to bottom it will take max 1 hour. It gives a very fantastic feeling, as previously told.
Our bike was very, very dirty, and there was some stubborn dirt, so it took a pretty long time.
True. We have done this few small DIYs like side stand enlarger and foot peg installation, and today this is one of the biggest DIYs we have done.
Battery replacement, don't forget that.
Oh yes, I'm really sorry. Yeah, battery replacement. She remembers this because she has done that, Nothing else. If you want to check our playlist for the motorcycle maintenance, it will be down here. And if you want to check, we do few trips. Please check out our playlist of our trips. So right now we are covering the Doers area, so Doers Diary destination playlist will be here. So until next time, ride safe,
Stay tuned
and stay colorful.